Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are all doing really well. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I do a lot of career and personal finance related videos here on my channel. So if that's something of interest to you, then please do subscribe to my channel down below and be sure to follow me over on my Instagram page as well, Success by Sanjna. Now, as you can tell by the title of today's video, I'm going to talk about how I earn passive income from cryptocurrency using the Swyftx trading platform. So if you want to find out more, please keep watching. Also, just quickly wanted to mention that this video is sponsored by Swyftx. Thank you for sponsoring today's video. I have a referral code for you guys. If you do want to sign up with Swyftx, you can get $20 worth of free Bitcoin upon your sign up. So I'll leave the link down in the description box below. So be sure to check that out. Also, just wanted to mention that this is non-financial advice. I'm going to be talking about cryptocurrency staking and the benefits associated with it, but do make sure you speak to a licensed professional if you do want to get advice on your personal situation. Okay, let's get started. So what is staking? Now, staking is essentially a way where you can actually earn rewards on money that you have already invested with cryptocurrency. So recently, Swyftx have allowed for staking on their platform, and I personally have been staking all of the coins that I possibly can to ensure that I earn rewards. And let me tell you, these rewards that you earn are a higher interest rate if you compare it to the interest rates, saving rates at banks. Now, some of these interest rates that you can get, I'll go through them very shortly, but some of them up to 10%, 15%. And if you compare that to what banks are offering at about maximum 2.5%, then I don't see why you shouldn't put your money with cryptocurrency as compared to a bank. But of course, I do need to mention as well that cryptocurrency is volatile and you should always do your own research and make sure you are educating yourself and on top of the market trends and what is happening. Okay, now let's have a look at the Swyftx platform and see what staking is all about. So essentially, Swyftx staking allows you to receive rewards on top of your cryptocurrency that would otherwise be sitting in your Swyftx account. So this is money that you've already invested into your Swyftx account and it's just sitting there, but you can actually earn rewards on top of that. There are no fees associated with your staking service, and rewards are automatically added to your total balance of the staked cryptocurrency that you hold. You can claim your rewards by unstaking some or all of your cryptocurrency at any stage, and the rewards will be credited back into your Swyftx trading wallet. So essentially, how does it work? So what you need to do is buy your staking cryptocurrency. So not all cryptocurrencies are available for staking. I'll quickly go through which ones are available. So if we go down here, we can see we've got Cardano, Solana, Atom, Polkadot, Matic, Kava, Kusama. As you can see, we've got a fair list of cryptocurrencies that are available for staking, and that list will always continue to grow. So these are the ones that Swyftx has at the moment. So you need to ensure that you are purchasing those cryptocurrencies that are available for staking. So once you've done that, then you would go into your trading wallet and then you can go ahead and stake that and you'll receive rewards on a daily basis. Now that's just very, very briefly. So essentially, if you wanted to see what staking is all about, you can have a look at their website. We've already talked about which cryptocurrencies you can stake. Essentially, the RPY stands for rewards percentage yield, otherwise refers to the staking rewards received for the cryptocurrency that is staked, expressed as an annualized percentage that takes into account the compounding frequency of rewards. And how are the rewards calculated? So they are actually calculated each day at about 11 a.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. So that means your staking wallet is being compounded on a daily basis with your daily rewards. So you can always ensure that you check that. Now, if you are staking, say, for example, Polkadot, then you will receive those funds in Polkadot as well. Now, is there a fee associated with Swyftx staking? No, there are no fees involved. Now, you may ask, what is your trading wallet and what is your staking wallet? So essentially, your trading wallet is when you initially invest into cryptocurrency, it's just sitting in your trading wallet. You can sell that, you can buy more, you can swap it, you can do whatever you like with that. So that money is separate. So your staking wallet is any cryptocurrency that is actually staked. So that's held in a separate wallet, which you can also access from the website and the app as well. Now, once it does sit in the staking wallet, you are not able to trade that money unless, of course, course, you unstake that and then that gets automatically transferred to your trading wallet. And a lot of you guys may be asking, are there any lockup periods for staking on Swyftx? No, there are no lockup periods. There are other platforms which do have a lockup period. So that means once you stake the money, you can't actually take that out for about 3 months, 6 months, sometimes even a year. But Swyftx does not have that. There's no lockup period. Once you stake a cryptocurrency, you are able to unstake immediately, and that'll sit in your trading wallet. And there is no minimum time required to be holding a cryptocurrency before you can stake it. You can do that whenever. Is there a minimum staking amount? There's about $1. So, I mean, you're gonna obviously stake more than that, right? Now, what does it mean when a particular cryptocurrency has reached the Swyftx staking cap? Now, this essentially means that just due to the nature of staking and how it functions, there is a limited number of tokens for each cryptocurrency that are able to be made available to customers for staking purposes. So once Swyftx staking cap has been reached in respect of a particular cryptocurrency, you will unable to stake that cryptocurrency unless that cap is increased or other users unstake their cryptocurrency. I've seen this happen to me a fair few times where I just need to wait it out a little bit, but they are always regularly reviewing the size of the Swyftx staking cap in respect of each eligible cryptocurrency, and you'll be able to view this in the platform when any changes have been made. Now, I just wanted to mention, I've already said it's available on the Swyftx app and the web platform as well. As with any cryptocurrency, the risks associated is that it's volatile. So if the price of the cryptocurrency you're staking decreases, then the amount of rewards you earn through staking may not be enough to cover the loss in the overall value of your staked cryptocurrency. And then you can just go down their frequently asked questions and have a look and educate yourself a little bit more about that. Okay, now we're just going to quickly move on. If you're not familiar with Swyftx Australia, essentially they are a cryptocurrency trading platform. It's the one that I personally use for myself, and I have the app version. I also regularly check the web platform as well. And if you are interested in cryptocurrency and you want to set up an account, you're able to click the link in the description box below. It's a referral code of mine where you can get $20 worth of free Bitcoin just by signing up. And essentially what I love about Swyftx is that you've got a demo feature, which is really good for beginners. It's really easy to use and play around, and you can play around with some dummy money. Swyftx also has one of the lowest fees around as well at just 0.6%, and they are always increasing the number of assets that they have on their platform. At the moment, I believe they've got 280 crypto assets, but that's always increasing. So be sure to check that out. Now, I'm going to quickly show you guys how to actually stake your money. We're going to do it on the web platform, and then I'm going to show you guys on my app as well. So let's get started. Okay, so I've just logged into the web platform, and what you'll see on the left-hand side, we've got the menu. There's an option there for staking. So if you click on that, you'll be able to see all of the crypto assets that are available for staking. So these are the ones that are currently available, with more coming along the way. So essentially, if you can have a look here, so we've got our staking wallet balance. So this is how much I have actually staked, and my next expected payout amount, which is approximately 11 a.m. every day, will be about $3.03. And I've done this for a few weeks now, and as you can see, I've got $88.28 sitting in my total staking rewards. Now that's pretty cool, to be honest, and that's the passive income that I'm talking about. You can have cryptocurrency, but you can also have passive income as well. So for those of you guys who've always said that cryptocurrency is not part of your net worth, it's not an investment, well, let me tell you, it definitely is now. So here are all of the crypto assets available. As you can see, the returns on these, the percentages are much higher than bank percentages. So we've got 6.5%, we've got 12%, 18%, 20%, 12%, 12%, 10.8, 8.9, 5.5, 5.8. As you can see, it's definitely much higher. So essentially what you do, you just have a look which crypto asset you've got. Say I've got Polkadot, you just click the plus button, and obviously it says that the Swyftx staking cap for this asset has been reached. So unfortunately I can't do that one. Let's try this one. Now, this is the remaining amount left in the Swyftx cap, so that's the maximum you could possibly do. Now, I've already gone ahead and put through all of my Solana, so essentially what you'll do, you'll set the maximum, or you can, put through. Obviously, I have 0 at the moment. This is my personal account, so that's why I don't have any Solana in here, but my company account, which I've got a different profile for, that one I do have Solana. So you then just pop in the number that you want to have, or you can also set get the maximum as well. Obviously it's going to say that I don't have enough balance there, and then what you do, you just click stake, and it's as easy as that. Okay, I'm going to show you guys how I do this on the app as well. So essentially, once I've logged into my app and it's done all of the face recognition, I am just going to head into wallet, and you're going to toggle on the top of the screen where it says staking, and here you can see, as per usual, I've got the same amount that I can see on the web. So if you scroll down all the way, you can see the other tokens that are available to be staked as well. So essentially, if you've got Cardano, you just click stake, and then you just pop that through. So unfortunately, I don't have any more Cardano here. It's in my other account. So essentially what you'll do, you'll just click on the cryptocurrency that you want to stake, and then you'll be able to toggle on the screen as to how much you want to stake. You can also set the maximum amount as well. And it's easy as that. You just have to click stake. Unfortunately, I can't do that right now because I don't have any of that cryptocurrency in my account. So that is essentially it. It's very simple, very easy to do. And don't forget, if you are after $20 worth of free Bitcoin, just click the link down below and you'll be able to get that. That is it, guys. I'm going to leave this video here. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and share this video with someone who you think may need help with cryptocurrency. Otherwise, please leave your comments down below. I'll be more than happy to help out as well. But that's it, guys. I'm going to leave it here. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Thanks, guys.